Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to close your Etsy shop. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and of course type in etsy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Etsy if you of course guys haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have in the top left corner categories where you can check out all the categories on this profile, on this website. We have the search bar where you can search for any single item that you want. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile that you can also go and check out. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and close your Etsy shop. So first of all, what you need to do is of course create one, which you can go and create by clicking on the shop manager here. To close your Etsy shop, follow these steps. Log into your Etsy account, and after you have logged in your account, go to the shop manager as I already told you. Here you'll firstly, of course, need to go and create your account to be able to delete it. Then click settings and then go and click options, and then select the close shop tab. Of course, choose your reason for closing the shop from the drop down menu, and then just click close shop, and your shop will be closed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you can do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.